Top 100 English phrasal verbs. Let's go on. Go on, carry out, set up, pick up, go back, come back, go out, point out, find out, come up, make up, take over, come out, come in, go down, work out, set out, take up, get back, sit down, turn out, take on, give up, get up, look up, carry on, go up, get out, take out, come down, put up, turn up, get on, bring up, bring in, look back, look down, bring back, break down, take up, go up, bring about, go in, set off, put out, look out, take back, hold up, get down, hold out, put on, bring out, move on, turn back, put back, go round, break up, come along, sit up, turn around, get in, come around, make out, get off, turn down, bring down, come over, break out, go over, turn over, go through, hold on, pick out, sit back, hold back, put in, move in, look around, take down, put up, come about, go along, look around, set about, turn up, give in, move out, come through, move back, break up, get through, give out, come up, take in, get back, set down, move up, turn around, get in.